Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Telegram profile link. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow is to open the Telegram application, and then you need to click on three bars in the top left, and then you need to click on the settings, and here you need to click on your username, and then you need to create a username. So let me create my username for an example, and here in the bottom you will find a link. Click on that link. You can see that link is copied, then you can share that link with any of your friends on WhatsApp, on Messenger, on Instagram. So let me share that. So this is a process by which you can get your Telegram profile link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.